Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome you to TechBtalks.com. As I promised you earlier that I was going to share with you some important information about networks. So here I am, we're going to discuss something very important about computer networks. Computer networks, first of all, we shall look at the definition of a network, and then we shall go ahead and see different types of network and how they are being used. So as you see in this diagram here, we've seen that a network, as you see here, we have this diagram that's showing one of the main computer in the center, and then we have other computers surrounding it. A computer network is a set of computers sharing resources located on or provided by network nodes. So from this definition, if you are to see, we're saying a set of computers. As you see, we have one computer, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 5, we have 6, and then we have 7, and then we have 8. So we have 8 computer nodes, and these 8 computer nodes, they are sharing resources provided by a network, by a node which is in the middle, like they are being serviced, or they are sharing, they are getting resources from one computer, this computer which is in the middle, and that computer in the middle is what we call the server, a server. So, and this one are called the client's computer. So the computers use a common communication protocol over digital interconnection to communicate with each other. So normally, when they are communicating with each other, there is what we call the communication protocols that is being used here. And we are going to look at these different type of protocols and the layers of network communication, starting from application up to the network layers and physical and so on. So, but generally, that's the definition of a network. And the reason why a network is, we have a network is because a network allows computers to share resources, and then it is very easy to troubleshoot and know which kind of problem to a certain computer is having, and you can really minimize, like because of scarce resources. If you have like one printer and you're working in an office where you have many departments, but you don't have money to buy many printers, then you can use one printer as a server and then connect to other computers within the departments, and then you share that as in a network. There are different types of network, and one of them is what we call the local area network. Local area network, this is a type of network which covers a small geographical area. As you can see here in this diagram, these are computers, and when you see a local area network, from the word local, this can be within a same building, like a bank or a school, yeah, like just within a small geographical area. So when they are here, meaning like computers within the bank, they can share resources within that same building. That's local area network. Then we have the wide area network. Of course, the wide area network is the one that covers a very large geographical area, and this cross borders and continents. And an example of this is the internet we use that involve the World Wide Web. So this one, like, it covers the continents like Africa, USA, Asia, and so on. So whenever you see something where, or the one that enables us to communicate via the internet, is what we call the wide area network or wireless local area network. I mean the wide area network. Then we have the wireless local area network. Of course, the wireless area local area network. This is whereby You have a type of a network within the same geographical area, small geographical area, but then it can connect to other wireless network within that same area. Yeah, like we have computers in the building being connected uh, with maybe uh, using wires, that's wired connected, but then you have an access point or you have a router that can provide access to other devices on the same network, but within the same geographical area. Then we have the metropolitan area. Of course, this one is also a bit bigger compared to local area network. It covers a geographical area like, say, a certain region, like a district. Uh, and this can cover different institutions, like when you have a bank, but then a bank have different branches in a country. Now, a type of a network that enables these banks to communicate, institution communicate, is what we call the metropolitan area network. And then the other part and network is called the campus area network. Of course, this is just for a certain institution within just a campus. From the word campus, is like a university having a certain network that enables people have connected to the network and share resources inside the campus. So those are the types of networks we have. And when we come back, we are going to look at the advantages and of networks and how we can utilize these networks. And then we shall go ahead and look at different network topologies, where we shall look at the uh, four main topologies of network. Here we shall look at the ring topology, bus topology, then we shall have the star topology and then mesh topology. And then we shall look at also the medium of data connection, like how this, the architecture and how the network is structured. Generally, when we talk about the bus topology, how are the computers arranged, which medium do we use, which type of wires, and what are the advantages of each. So we have many things we have to look about networks. And then we shall go ahead and explore more, especially when we go to wide area network, where we talked about internet. Of course, internet is something which is wide, and we have the full course that we're going to talk about internet and how to use internet and different technologies within that. So for now, I want to stop here, guys, and I want to thank you for paying attention to this tutorial. Please stay with us, subscribe to our channel, and register with our website so that you can get more information. Otherwise, I want to wish you well, and uh, I want to say thank you. Let's meet in the next video.